Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I have some Ateez albums here, some that I found at Walmart and some signed albums. Disclaimer, I have opened all of them because I am very impatient, and the time that I can film, I don't want the packages to sit around for like a week and I just stare at them. So I opened all of them already. I did leave the plastic on some of the signed ones. But let's get into this because I am really excited. Before I get into the signed ones, I found Know at Walmart. I did find San last week when it came out at Walmart, and I'm just really excited. I'm gonna set the PCs aside. I already have the book out, but this is what the inside looks like. This is the CD. There is a poster. There's a member poster in every single one. And also it freaking ripped, and I don't know, I think it was already like that. I don't know. But here is Know's poster. I like that they're small enough that you can put in a binder. I like that because I don't want a million posters all over my wall. Especially like I share an office space like with my husband, and I'm sure he is tired of looking at all of my K-pop men and women. Actually, I think I took my Twice posters down. Yeah, I don't have any Twice posters up anymore. I think I took them down. I think I took them down to make more space for BTS. But anyway, I'm happy that these can go in my binder. Just look at him though, like, here's the front, here's the back. That's what the side looks like. Here is the book. I think it opens up to the same picture for every member. I only have 2 of these that I have looked at, so I think that's it. Oh, he looks so good. This is my sister's bias, her second bias. Her first one is Hyunjin, and I have not been able to find him anywhere either. I think she found him already though. Ooh, they look impeccable. Like these members, oh, Ateez. What? I'm on the hunt for Jongho. I cannot find him anywhere except for online at Oh So Happy. That's the only place where you can like select a member. Everywhere else is random. I don't want random because I just know I'm gonna get ones that I already have. Here's the lyrics. Oh, NASA, such a fun song. Same with Adrenaline. On the Road, I haven't really listened to a lot. What was the first one? Ghost, such a good song. And Choose, when this came out, like I immediately added that to my playlist. It's a good song. Here's the last picture. I did watch somebody's video. I'm gonna have to find her so I can like tag her or something. She was showing how the last photo is actually different in every member's. So this is from San, and I'm wondering if it means something. I don't know a lot of the lore. I haven't really read it. I'm gonna have to ask my sister about it. But like those pictures are different, and then those are different. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask my sister. I'm gonna set these aside. So since this is Walmart, we'll start with the Walmart exclusive. So Walmart exclusive is the sport one. He looks so good. This is going to be the member one. You know, looks so good. They all look so good. And then the sobbing one, which I think this is the US exclusive. Sunny! Oh, he's my main bias. I screamed so loud when I got him. My husband actually experienced what it's like me pulling my bias because that does not happen often. And yeah, I love this card. I was searching for this all over Mercari. I actually had it in my cart. I almost bought it, but I was like, you know what? I'm planning on buying more member versions. Here is the one signed, and I took the PCs out because I don't want to take this plastic off. I really don't want to do anything to this until I get something, some sort of sleeve. I did see Meow Cafe or maybe Mandu Deco. They have like certain sleeves you can get for signed albums. I want to get that before So I'm gonna set these aside. Okay. I got Wooyoung. I knew immediately from the 2 dots. This is my first like Ateez signed album. Wooyoung is my friend's bias, but oh, I was so excited because to me it really didn't matter. It didn't matter who I got. I was just really excited. Ah. Okay. I can't believe he touched this. Like, that's all I keep telling myself is that Wooyoung touched this. Okay, let's do the PCs real quick. We'll do the sobbing one first, and it only came with 2 because this was from Hello 82, and there's not a Hello 82 exclusive because I got signed. But if I got like a regular album, then I would have gotten the Hello 82 exclusive. And I already sleeved them because they were in my binder. I got Yo Song. I think I want to do OT8 with these. Sonny, I screamed so loud when I got this card. Oh, I messaged all of my friends like, he looks so cute. Look at him. Oh, I love Sonny. I still can't believe. Ugh. And I got him from Wooyoung. That's just so funny. Okay, I left this in the bubble wrap, and I'm gonna have to put it back in the bubble wrap because I ripped this plastic off. I just don't want anything to happen to it. I don't want any scratches, nothing. Let me try to... I got Mingi, like... At first, I will be honest, I'm gonna be honest, I was not really excited because I really wanted Jongho. But at the end of the day, I still got Mingi. It's fine. I'm not trading. I'm gonna keep this. I don't want to trade anybody, but I don't want this to get all whatever. Ooh. Okay. So yeah, you get, oh, I didn't even show you Yuno's because I took his stickers out. Anytime you get a member version, it comes with a sticker with their name. So like, I had Yuno. So now I have San, Yuno, Mingi. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these stickers though. There's this. And then Golden Hour Part 4. Here's his poster. I haven't even looked at, oh my God. Oh, he looks good. I have been enjoying blonde Mingi. I really like him with black hair, but I've been really enjoying a blonde Mingi. Mingi was like I can't even say he was a bias, because as soon as I got into Ateez, it was San. It was immediately San, and then it was San and Wooyoung, and then it was San and Yuno, and then it was always San. But then Jongho came out of nowhere like 2 months ago. There's the book. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I think I'm gonna be wrecked by Mingi, aren't I? Is Mingi gonna be my wrecker? Dang. Those are good photos. They look impeccable. Lyrics. I want to see this last photo. I want to see how it's different. Okay. Wait. It is. They're all different. What do they mean? What do they all mean? Let's do the sobbing card first. Jongho. I was so excited. I got my biases for the crying. I've been thinking of doing just a binder of these 2, but I think I'm gonna do OT8 of the crying, because now I have, I think 4 of the members, because I have Hyunjin, and then I just need the other 4. And then this is the member one, so this will be Mingi. Oh, he looks so good. These are so cute. I might actually put them all together. I think I might do that. Do I want to do OT8? It's so expensive to do OT8. Especially if I'm like OT8 Stray Kids. I don't know what to do with this. I don't want it to get ruined. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I will see you very soon in my next one. I'm going to try to push out a lot of videos. I have so many things that I could talk to you guys about when it comes to K-pop. So I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye!